Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing, back with another install video for the BRZ, and I'm going to make this as quick and sweet as possible for you because this is the easiest install you'll ever do on this car, and it's just going to add a little bit of extra flair to the side of the car. So this is the OEM Subaru vent garnish for your fender, and it's basically just like a little fin that's going to be added to your fender with 3M tape. So I won't waste your time, let's get to it. We're gonna take some rubbing alcohol, we're gonna clean the area, and then we're gonna stick this thing on. So I'll get you up close so you can see where it goes. So when you're looking at your fender vent, you're gonna notice that it's functional, but this whole section here is not, and this whole section up here is not. The function happens right here. So you see there's three little fins. This piece is gonna go onto the middle fin. You're going to open up your box, and there's going to be some instructions in Japanese. I can't read that. And then it's going to come with this template, which I'll be completely honest with you, I have no idea what the point is. So we're going to skip over that. We're going to take some isopropyl alcohol, put a little dab here onto the shop towel, clean the inside around that fin, and bring it to the outside of the car. We're out in the sun, that should dry relatively quick. You're gonna spin this around, you're gonna see some double-sided tape on the back. Go ahead and kind of take like your fingernail or a razor blade, anything pointy, and just grab it, peel the ends, and peel the backing off of this double-sided tape. Now, this is going to literally just slide in right there and press down. Boom, install's done, do the other side. All right guys, we went ahead and got this installed on the other side. We are ready to hit the track now with that extra 10 horsepower, 5 per side. But all jokes aside guys, this thing looks pretty good. It's gloss black finish, so it's a nice contrast on this white car. It brings a little bit more attention to the vent area. And you know, it's one of those mods, you're either gonna love it or you're gonna hate it, you know, and if you love it, well, we carry it here at Import Image Racing, and if you hate it, well, you aren't gonna hurt our feelings. It is what it is. It is a little Corvette Stingray looking, but you know, again, you're either going to love it or hate it, but I'm going to try and get some cool shots of this thing. We'll walk around the car a little bit so you can see it, and we'll call it a day, guys. Thank you for checking out the video, and we'll see you in the next one.